Hello, I'm Anshi Gopinath and I'm pursuing the BCom Honours program offered by the Jindal School of Banking and Finance. Saying that my time here at OP Jindal Global University has been eventful would be an understatement. I have learned so much and grown as an individual here. The professors here are very understanding of the needs of every student and use various methods to teach the course material. There are several workshops and activities organized to help students in their future career and educational endeavors. The option to pick electives from the other schools of the university helps students to widen their knowledge about different subjects before joining the workforce. Not just academics, but the cultural diversity of the place makes it a great experience. We are able to interact with people of diverse backgrounds and learn about different cultures, which is a really enriching experience.